Hey guys, what is up? Today I'm going to do my eyebrows, and if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching.
I was hanging with you and then I realized I didn't think it was true. I was surprised when I found out I'd fallen for you.
For my eyebrows, I use this Etude House Drawing Eyebrow Pencil in the shade 02 gray brown to match my charcoal hair. My hair is so dark. The pencil is like this. Ta-da! I'm using this wand from my eyebrow pencil. So to start off, I would brush my eyebrows upwards. Next is I would draw a thin line on the bottom part of my brows to outline my brows.
Slowly kisses passing by the river.
And I would draw another line here on the top of my brows. I would start here.
I've been missing your strawberry kiss.
I use soft strokes on my eyebrows for a more natural look because I want my brows to look natural. After I drew an outline for my eyebrows, I fill in the inside of my eyebrows with feathery strokes.
Nothing as sweet, the taste still drive me crazy.
There. After filling in the inside of my eyebrows, I flip my eyebrow pencil and I would use this wand here to blend in my eyebrows.
My strawberry kisses.
After I drew my left brow, I'm going to do the other one. And I'm just going to do the same.
I could fly through the wind. Boy, you're the top of my list. I'm falling head over toes.
After doing my eyebrows, I would use this Nichido clear mascara for my brows.
How you feel deep inside.
And boom, we're done. We are done. I'm done doing my eyebrows. On some days where I feel really extra or I'm doing my glam makeup, I would put a concealer under my brows using this angled brush.
'Cause nothing as sweet, the taste still drive me crazy. My strawberry
Now let's do my other brow.
kisses. I could fly through the wind.
And that's it. That's how I do my eyebrows. Just have fun with it, and remember guys, eyebrows are not twins, they are cousins. They're not friends, they're not neighbors, they are cousins. It's okay if they don't look perfect or the same or equal, because you know, we should make it natural looking and not overdraw it. If you want to know how I did this makeup look using rosy neutral shades that comes in a mix of matte and shimmery finishes, then stay tuned because I'll be posting it soon. That's it for today guys. Thank you for watching this video, and if you enjoyed watching this, please hit like, subscribe, or comment down below the video suggestions that you want me to do. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell down below so you will be notified whenever I upload a new one. Have a good day, have a good week, and have a good life. Bye!
Head but so slowly kisses passing by the river. I've been missing.
Bye!